for joining me. We're here to talk today about making your renovation rehab loan come true. If you're looking to buy a house that is not quite move-in ready or needs a little TLC, a renovation loan might be right for you. There are a couple types of renovation loans that Greenway offers, and all of them are really easy when you're using the right mortgage finance specialist to help you. The types of renovation loans that Greenway offers are FHA 203Ks and also the Fannie Mae Home Style Renovation product. Depending on your credit score, the amount of down payment that you have, and other loan characteristics, I'll be here to guide you and help figure out which product is going to be right for you. The requirements for a renovation loan are as follows. All work must be done by a licensed and insured contractor. You cannot do the work yourself. During the application process, I'll be asking to collect some documents from you that are a little different outside the normal application requirements. We'll need to get a copy of the contractor's estimate, we'll need a copy of his insurance policy, and also a copy of his license. The great thing about renovation loans is that you can finance everything from the cost of the renovation, the purchase of your home, even right down to the permits, architectural plans, and any other associated fees with the project. After closing, our renovation department will assign you a case manager that will help you through the process. As renovations are completed, we'll send someone out to inspect the work to make sure that it's actually been done by the contractor, and then once that inspection has been done, you can request a draw to cover the cost of the repairs that have been done so far. Thanks for joining me today to discuss using a renovation loan to purchase your home. Stay tuned next time and we'll discuss the different types of renovation loans that you could use. Be sure to check me out on social media platforms for additional information, and you can always email me directly.